Hello everyone. In this video, you'll learn how to share files with others using the OneDrive folder on your Windows computer. First, go to your desktop search bar and type OneDrive. Look for the OneDrive folder. It usually has a cloud icon next to it. Click on that folder. Now find the file or folder you want to share. It can be a document, a picture, or any other type of file. Once you find it, right-click on the file. In the menu that appears, move your mouse over the option that says OneDrive. A small side menu will appear. From there, click on Share. This will open the OneDrive sharing window. It might take a second to load. This window is part of the OneDrive app on your computer. At the top of the window, you'll see a box that says Add a name or email. Click inside this box and type the email address of the person you want to share the file with. Beside the email box, you'll see a small settings icon that looks like a pencil or a gear, depending on your version. Click this if you want to change what the person can do. By default, they can edit the file. If you want them to only view it, change the setting to Can View. You can also block downloading or set an expiration date if needed. Once you've typed in the email and set the permissions, click the Send button. OneDrive will send an email to that person with a link to the file. If you prefer to share the file using a link instead, click the Copy Link button. The link will be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it into an email, a message, or anywhere else. This is how you share files from your OneDrive folder using the built-in sharing option in Windows. Thanks for watching.